Hi everyone! Check out the HomePop Velvet Swoop Arm Living Room chairs in Dark Blue Trellis, perfect for any room. These accent chairs feature a stylish design with soft, durable velvet fabric and sturdy wood legs. They measure 33.25 inches high, 25 inches wide, and 27.75 inches deep, offering comfortable seating. Each chair supports up to 250 pounds, making them both functional and attractive. Easy to assemble and maintain, they require only spot cleaning to keep looking fresh. Whether placed in your living room or bedroom, these chairs add timeless style and extra seating. Pair them together for a stylish and practical seating solution in your home. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.